Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to create infographics for your blog or business in Canva. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Canva application, which of course I've done right here. And then the next thing is, what exactly do you want to do on Canva? All right, so for you to create infographics, do you want to start your design from scratch? Because let's say you're a professional and you just want to start from scratch, you have all your ideas figured out. Here's where you go. So click on this create a design button in the top right corner and be able to start from scratch. But then if you want to get some kind of creative ideas from existing templates done by creators in Canva, here's exactly where you go, the search bar, where you can now search whatever you want and you're going to see a wide array of templates. So in this sense, what we have is infographics. So let's say infographics for blog. So it takes you here where you have a wide array of templates and you have like infographics here. Now I'd like you to know that the designs that actually have this pro thing labeled on them, it means you cannot access them except you upgrade your plan. But then the ones that do not have that crown, it means it is for free and you can tweak it to whatever you want. So here's a very sweet one, and this is free. I think I like it. It's simple, so I can just open that up. You're using that for your blog, right? So here, click on customize this template. So it means you should have an idea of what kind of information you want to break down or what kind of information you want to design. I'm just going to spread this apart so that I can see it clearly. So this business infographics, right? It's for blog, and let's say double click to change wordings. Health. Okay, so here may not really have time to actually edit all of this, but then you can just come over here and double click and change it to what you want. All right, be good. You can change this to appreciate yourself. As you can see, the font has already gone, the font size has already gone out. So click here, font size, and reduce this font size to, let's say, 20. And I click on enter. 20 doesn't seem to cut it. Let's do 18. 18, it's looking good. So here you have, but then of course this is now close to each other, so you can have to raise it upwards. And click on that and ensure it's bolding. And this is also bolding. So there could be a disparity. So here you can say love yourself and make that bolding. Make that bold. So you can just click on that, and this doesn't want to be bold. Why don't you want to be bold? Okay, it's bold. It's a that's how bold I can be. Awesome. Okay, so here it can be credit. Awesome. So I can just make this 18 and bold. So that's bold, and then I hold it, left click and raise it, drag it upwards. So right here in the body, do the same thing. Double click and change the text, double click and change the text, double click and change the text. So if you want to change the elements. You can just come over to the left corner, click on the elements, and let's say good. Just click on an element that signifies good. So I can just hold this and bring this here. Oh, this is dark. I don't know, that thing looks dark. This one looks bright. So I can just remove this, click on it, and then click on that, and I have this element somewhere. Reduce the size. Oh, sorry, good is here. Sorry about that. I click on this and I delete it. So I draw this, and this is looking good. All right, let's say appreciate. What's going to be there? Let's find elements for appreciate. Yes, we have elements for appreciate, and some of them are just pro thing. Okay, to appreciate yourself, so giving myself this thumbs up kind of thing. Okay, so that's it. And love, of course, love is giving me a lot of elements. So let's see something. So love. So I'm gonna take this out of here, delete, and bring this down, make it smaller. It's just the same process. And credits. Gives us some credits. We know it's not literal. Oh my god, but let me just see what we can do. Let's see what we can do. This is just getting guides out. And it's just like taking it towards cash. It's not literal, you know, it's not literal, but then that's fine. It's infographics, right? So you can actually say read more and then edit this, double click and edit. You can change the font to whatever you want, and this is just something nice. All right, there's no time to actually change the body, but you can. So this is for a blog, right? Mental health. Okay, so you can just use this, just tweak it. Now click on this top corner where you have share and click on download, and of course download. Look for what's best for your download. All right, so once you click on download, look for the best file type that you want to use, and you'll be good to go. So go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be done as done. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.